Welcome back. This is a deep explanation of how to do boho, where you don't need to break your back. How do you achieve a full head, full like the client like it, without many braids? So observe as I pass the hair over my fingers. Once I twist it, I lift out the longer part out of it. Continue the braid and add more weave as after 3 braiding step. Observe again. Pass the hair over your fingers, over the braid. Lift the longer part out and continue the braid. If you observe this method, this strategy, you do not need to have many braids in your client hair. So that means you will achieve a full hair boho braid without spending 5, 6, 7 hours.
Life's a roller coaster ride, ups and downs side by side. Sometimes it feels like a hurricane spinning fast, driving me insane. But I won't let it bring me down. Gonna rise up, wear my crown. Life's a labyrinth, a crazy maze, lost in a haze, caught in a daze. But I'll find my way, step by step, even in the darkness. I won't forget that every stumble, every fall is just a chance to stand up tall. Living free, dancing in the light, feeling the rhythm day and night. No matter what comes my way, I'll keep shining, won't fade away. Living free, breaking through the walls, embracing the journey, standing tall. I'll sing it loud with all my might. Living free for the rest of my life. Living free, dancing in the light, feeling the rhythm day and night. No matter what comes my way, I'll keep shining, won't fade away.